So unfortunately in Colorado we have now hit winter, so the outdoor grilling is a no right now.
I live in a small apartment and I really don't have the room for any big appliance like a large grill.
But no fear, we are indoor grilling here with the Ninja Foodi, and I am using an attachment called the Sear'NSizzle by GrillGrate.
And a GrillGrate is a product that goes inside of your Ninja.
I thought, geez, I have to get one of those and try it out. I liked it so much I bought some for my nieces.
I happen to have one of each. I couldn't resist. And I absolutely love them. LOVEEM, love them.
I want to show you guys how awesome this thing is.
I just want to show you how it looks.
Let me show you what I cooked right now.
Whatever you can do on an outside grill, you can do on these babies.
It tastes just as great as if you're cooking outside.
Gives me the same grill marks as a regular barbecue and it tastes just as great.
They are very versatile.
You can also flip it over and use it for eggs or some smash burgers if you would like.
Sausage patty and egg and cheese, and you have a better breakfast than going out for fast food in the morning.
Thanks for making that and I really appreciate it.
I really recommend the Sear'NSizzle. It's just like cooking outdoors.
I love them. I highly, highly recommend them to anyone who's looking for an alternative or an extra grill plate for their Ninja Foodi products.
The Ninja Foodi air fryer has been the #1 present gift in America, actually around the world. And you have subsequently made the Sear'NSizzle Grate the #1 accessory for the Ninja air fryers and other air fryers like them. I can't tell you how much we appreciate the feedback and enthusiasm we've had on this little product. People are telling us that they're in an apartment, they can't get a grill, but now they have a grill. It's very rewarding and it's fun to see, and I hope you'll put it on your gift list so you can share it with other people.